In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write 14th in Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Writing ordinal numbers correctly in documents can be a bit tricky, especially if you're aiming to follow academic or professional formatting guidelines. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll have mastered the subtle yet important art of writing ordinal numbers in superscript, making your documents look more polished and professional. First things first, let's go ahead and open Microsoft Word on your computer. Begin by locating the Windows Start menu. You'll usually find this as a little icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the one that looks like a window or 4 squares. Click on it to open your Start menu. Once you've opened the Start menu, you'll notice there's a search bar at the bottom or somewhere near the top, depending on your version of Windows. Here you're going to type Word. As you start typing, you will see Microsoft Word appear in the list of search results. It's the one with the blue and white document icon. Click on Microsoft Word to open it. If you've followed these steps correctly, the Word application should now be running on your computer. Now that you have Microsoft Word open, you'll want to start a new document. You can do this by going to the Word home screen. If you're not automatically taken there, look for an option that says Home or something similar. On the home screen, you have a couple of options. You can either click on Blank Document to start with a clean slate, or open any recent document you've been working on. For our purposes today, clicking on Blank Document will serve us best. With your new document open, it's time to get typing. Go ahead and type in 14th. That's right, just type it as you normally would, with the theth right after the number 14. It might look a little off at first, but don't worry, we're about to fix that. After typing 14th, you'll need to make the heath look properly diminutive, like an actual ordinal indicator. To do this, first highlight the theth part of 14th. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over these two letters. With the TFE highlighted, it's time to apply the superscript format. Superscript is what makes the thief smaller and raises it above the line of text. Most versions of Word have a quick access toolbar at the top where you can find the superscript option. Look for an icon that resembles an X2. If you hover your mouse over it, it should say superscript. Click this button and voila, you'll see the feuille reduce in size and move up to a line at the top of the number 14. If for some reason you can't find the superscript button, don't fret. There's another way to apply superscript formatting. With the "the" still highlighted, you can right click and a menu will appear. From here, look for the option Font and click on it. A new window will open with various formatting options. Find Superscript, tick the box next to it, and then click OK. And there you have it. The 14th should now look perfectly formatted with the "the" in superscript, just like professional documents. This technique can be used not just for 14th, but for any ordinal number ending in ST, ND, RD, or thief. It's a small detail, but getting it right can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your documents. Remember, practicing these little formatting tricks can greatly enhance the professionalism and readability of your documents. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a business report, or any document that involves ordinal numbers, knowing how to correctly format them is a skill worth having. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Feel free to play around with different formatting options in Word to see what else you can improve in your documents. Thank you for watching and happy document crafting.